Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today 14th May 2020. Now we'll see how we are to trade tomorrow, that is 15th May 2020. Nifty, Bank Nifty and two stocks for tomorrow's trading. This is a Nifty spot chart. See, if we analyze the Nifty from here, this is the top, around 12,150, 12,200 kind of levels. From there, it fallen up to 7,500 and retraced from 7,500 to 9,890 or 900 kind of level. So if you see the entire this fall, it retraced 50% of this fall. From here, it again fallen this retracement, 38.2% retracement from here. So now the Nifty is totally consolidating in between 9,000 and 9,500. So this zone is very critical. It has not broken that zone. Even a couple of days it is tried to broken, but it has not broken. So now the today's trade, this is a today candle. So it opened and went up and down, a gap down. Yesterday was a huge gap up and closed day almost day lows, and this gap almost covered here. Again it made one more gap down here. So the market trend is undecided trend. There is no trend, it is a consolidation. So now coming to the Nifty, it may fall up to 9,000 levels. Now it is 9,142. It may take support somewhere here, 9,000 and 8,900 zone. This zone is exactly 38.2% of this retracement. So now if it doesn't take any support here and closed below 8,900, then high probability of testing 8,400. 61.8% of this retracement from 7,500 to 9,900. The retracement of this rally is 61.8% golden ratio. Here it may get good support in coming days. It may test or may not test, that is different, but the analysis is that it may test 8,900 if close below 8,900. On the higher side, it should close above 9,500, then only it will go up to 9,900. So these are the levels to be noted in the future coming days. Only for tomorrow's trade, we'll see the levels. This is the levels for 15th May 2020 for Nifty spot. Supply at 9,240 and 9,200 zone, and demand is 9,020 and 8,985. The trade setup is like this. If the price comes into demand, buy, keep a stop loss below the edge of below the demand zone, that is below 8,985, and aim a target of 9,200 or the opening price. And if the price goes in this zone, sell, keep a stop loss above 9,240 and aim for a target as a opening price or the demand zone, right? So this is the Nifty setup, and we'll see for the Bank Nifty. See, comparatively Nifty, Bank Nifty is more weak. See, if you entire drop from 31,000 to 16,800 is the fall. This fall retraced only 38.2%. just nearer to 38.2%. It's not exactly 38.2%, but nearer to 38.2%. In Nifty, it retraced about 50%. From here again it is falling down. So if you see this again, this levels, so from here it went to 22,000, some 16,800 to it went to 22,000 and falling from here. If you see this fall, it already tested 50%. So next level is 61.8%, that is 18,351. If you see in Nifty, it is not tested 50%. So the weakness is more in Bank Nifty than the Nifty. So coming to tomorrow's trading levels, we'll see for tomorrow trading levels. So this is the levels for Bank Nifty only for tomorrow, that is 15th May. Supply zone is 19,290, 19,360, and demand is 18,820 and 18,750. So these are the levels, and as per these levels we can trade in Bank Nifty. We'll see now two stocks for tomorrow's trading. Friends, we'll see two stocks for tomorrow's trade. One is for shorting and one is for long. So first is Tech Mahindra. So before seeing Tech Mahindra, what happened today? Yesterday I given three stocks: Bajaj Finance, Ultratech Cement and Havells. So today in Bajaj Finance we made a profit of 68 rupees per share, Ultratech Cement 44 rupees per share, and we made a stop loss of 3 rupees 50 paisa in Havells. If you traded 100 shares of each stock, Bajaj Finance, Ultra and Havells, so total profit is 10,850. 100 shares in each stock. Ultratech Cement has given 4,400 profit. Bajaj Finance has given 6,800 profit, and Havells has given 350 rupees as a loss. So total profit is 10,850 minus taxes and brokerage. So you trade one or two stocks every day, only 100 quantity of 100 shares, and you see in a month how much you will make with the trade plan. So now today for tomorrow's trade we will see Tech Mahindra, right? So Tech Mahindra is a selling idea, is a shorting idea, not a buying idea. So our entry will be here around 524 and my stop loss is at 527 and my target is here. Here I'll keep my target. So my risk to reward is 1:6. See, I'm keeping a very tight stop loss. Only 2 rupees stop loss I'm making, because this zone is a tough zone to cross tomorrow. So this is my entry, this is my stop loss, this is my target, right? If the target doesn't come before 315, I will close where the price is. The simple idea. If you are a working people also, in the morning 9:15 you enter the trade and close. Automatically it will scare off at 3:15, right? This is for Tech Mahindra, and we will see for one more stock, that is Godrej Consumer Products. Godrej Consumer Products for a long entry. So why I selected this stock? This is the day chart of Godrej Consumer Products. If you see, this is the doji candle yesterday. Today it broken the doji high and also the range high, has given a decent breakout and with a volume and a big green candle. And if you see these two candle, it is engulfing bullish, right? So this for tomorrow's trade, I'll show you where I'll enter and where is my stop loss. This is for tomorrow's trade. It's only for 15th May. So my entry is like here. So I'm entering somewhere here. 555 or a little bit higher. So 556. This is the area where I am supposed to enter. and my stop is below this. The stop is below this. So 551.70 paisa or 551 rupees as my stop loss, and I'm aiming a target. This is my target. Alright, this is my target, right? So my risk to reward is 1:4.8. So I'm aiming high reward, low risk. All my trade setup is like this only. So these two stocks, one is for shorting, one is for long. Tech Mahindra short, Godrej CP long. So these two stocks, how we'll trade, we'll see tomorrow. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. We'll come out with one more video tomorrow for next trading day. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and write some comments in commentary. Thank you.